Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sky Warp. What's going on, peoples? I have the Leatherman. This is my Leatherman knife I got. I've had it for a while. Um, this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. It's pretty neat, you know. I like it. I mean, it's pretty cool. And it's just kind of like stuff for the knife. I mean, it's got a lot more stuff. And I still have my original. And here's my old blast. I'm actually thinking about sending it in and getting it fixed. It's look at it. So look at it now. It used to be a little bit bigger. I did that. Yeah, I was trying to use it. And, you know, it's got some. It's got a lot of good stuff. I mean, it's got a nice driver. And my computer is about to do this weird thing that's not gonna breathe, so I put that. So yeah, guys. I mean, I'm trying to get more views in YouTube and stuff. And tomorrow, I'm going to I'm gonna go to Gibson's tomorrow, and I'm gonna bring my computer, and I'm gonna do a YouTube video. But here's my new solitaire light I got. It's pretty cool. It works very well. It's got some really good beam to it. I probably will carry this in my pocket a lot, with a lot of change in this pocket. Like, see, here's an example. I have some change right here. I'm gonna put this in my pocket. See what it looks like when it's out. So I'll see you guys later.